Hey everyone, and welcome to a super exciting adventure inside our own bodies. I'm Annie, the Anatomy Explorer, and today we are going on an incredible journey to discover what we are made of and how all our amazing parts work together. Are you ready? Let's go! So, what are anatomy and physiology? That sounds like a big mouthful, right? But it's actually super simple. Anatomy is like a map of your body. It shows us all the different parts, like your bones, your heart, and your brain. Physiology is a story of how those parts work, like how your heart pumps blood or how your brain thinks. It's the what and the how of you. To understand our bodies, we need to start small. Really small. Imagine a single, tiny building block. In our bodies, this is called a cell. We have trillions of them. Now, when a bunch of these cells get together to do a job, they form a tissue. It's like a team of workers. Then, different tissues join forces to create an organ, like your super important heart. Finally, when a group of organs works together on a big mission, they form an organ system. It's like going from one little brick to a whole amazing city that is you. Let's meet our first organ system, the skeletal system. This is the strong frame that holds you up. You have 206 bones, from the big ones in your legs to the tiny ones in your ears. They protect your soft, squishy organs inside, like a personal suit of armor. They also help you move. Without your skeleton, you'd just be a big, wobbly puddle. So, let's give a big thank you to our bones for keeping us tall and strong. Now, what makes those bones move? Say hello to the muscular system. You have over 600 muscles all over your body. They are attached to your bones, and when they pull, you can run, jump, dance, and even make funny faces. Think of them as the stretchy, powerful rubber bands that let you do everything. Your muscles work in teams. When one pulls, another one relaxes. It's all about teamwork. Even when you're just standing still, your muscles are working hard to keep you balanced. Next up, let's listen closely. Thump, 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 thump. What's that sound? It's your cardiovascular system, starring the hardest working muscle of all, your heart. Your heart is a powerful pump, about the size of your fist. Its job is to pump blood to every single part of your body. This blood travels through a huge network of tubes called blood vessels. It's like a super highway delivering everything your body needs. The blood carries oxygen from the air you breathe and nutrients from the food you eat, giving you the energy to play and learn. It's your body's very own delivery service, working 24/7. Okay, now let's talk about the boss of the whole operation, the nervous system. This is your body's command center, and the main boss is your brain. Your brain is incredible. It controls everything you do, think, and feel. It sends super fast electrical messages through your spinal cord and out to a web of nerves that reach every corner of your body. When you touch something hot, it's your nervous system that yells, "Ouch!" Move your hand. It helps you learn new things, remember your favorite song, and dream at night. It's the fastest and smartest system of them all. Take a deep breath in and out. You just used your respiratory system. This system's job is to bring fresh air into your body and get rid of the old air. The stars of this show are your lungs. When you breathe in, your lungs fill up with oxygen, which is a special gas our bodies need to live. The oxygen then hops into the blood to be delivered all around. When you breathe out, you're getting rid of a gas called carbon dioxide, which our body doesn't need. So keep taking those nice, deep breaths. Feeling hungry? Let's follow our food on a wild ride through the digestive system. It all starts in your mouth. When you chew your food, you're breaking it down into smaller pieces. Then you swallow, and it travels down a tube called the esophagus into your stomach. Your stomach is like a blender, mixing and mashing the food with special juices. From there, it moves into your intestines, where all the good stuff, the vitamins and energy is absorbed into your body. What's left over continues on its way out. It's a long, winding journey, but it's how we get fuel from our food. And those are just a few of your amazing organ systems. We also have systems that help us fight off germs and systems that help our bodies grow. The most incredible part is how they all work together, perfectly connected. Your respiratory system brings in oxygen, which the cardiovascular system delivers, all while the nervous system is directing the show and your skeletal and muscular systems are letting you move. It's the best team ever, and it's all happening inside you right now. Wow! What an adventure! We've journeyed from a tiny cell all the way to complete, incredible organ systems. Your body is truly a masterpiece, working hard every single second to keep you healthy, happy, and alive. So next time you run, laugh, or even just take a breath, take a moment to appreciate the amazing machine that is you. Thanks for exploring with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing journeys into the human body. See you next time, explorers!